against the Mapua Lady Cardinals previously. Won it in 5. De Guzman, who scored earlier, she had 16 points. Pero ito, Laika Tudlasan puts it down to tie the first set.
Napakabigat ng palo na yun. Tudlasan na nung last game, medyo hinahanap natin.
First Tudlasan.
Aking team, meron talaga silang malalaking players na nandoon sa harapan para i-challenge yung mga ganong klaseng chows.
That's always been the trademark ng isang composition ng Arellano team as Bachar swings from behind. Opposite attack mula dito kay Janelle Bachar. Tudlasan. Kinuha ni Cañete. Ryan puts it down.
Napaganda pa, pero parang lalabas na yun eh. May plano pala sila.
As gusto nila yung may attempt.
Tama.
Here she is, taking off former Lady Stag, turned Lady Red Spiker. Oh! This is a gimme for San Beda. Cañete again!
Same spot.
And same result for Rayan Cañete, who now has 4 points in the first set. Ever since she entered for De Guzman, she has been producing. Cañete. Back row hit. And Angel Habacon. Perfect targeting for Angel.
Imaginein mo naman na pag nasa harapan ka, alam mo kung saan dadalhin yung bola. Pag nasa likod, ganun din. Diba?
Yung hang time niya, allowing her to read and scan the defense. Oh! Service ace!
Kumbaga, sasabihin lang yan sa atin, Martin. Yung service nga na malayo, alam ko kung saan yung malapit pa.
Hiponya. Wow! That one dropped.
Wala na yun.
Padillon with a good serve. Habacon catches the line.
May naisip na ako, Martin. May naisip na ako. Angel Habacon.
Pwede. Dahil baon talaga umatake to
baon
si
talaga
Angel.
umatake to si Angel. And again,
dito. Hiniling ni Prince, mahabang laban. Ito na yun.
First set pa lang.
First set pa lang. Habacon! 28-27.
Take note, Mark. Siya mag-serve.
7 points for Angel. Last time she was assigned at the service line, they went on a massive run. Here it comes. Pablo absorbing that. Tudlasan sent back. Bedural ends set number 1. Bedural on the second jump, winning this battle. It was the initial rejection, and then it went back to their side. Bedural, presence of mind to guide that ball to the right spot. And
yan yung kaninang
San Beda can recover from this. 6 straight points. Naghahanap ng magandang pasa si Coach Josh. And 1 good execution. KC! Third 1-2 play for KC Adante.
Mabigat to para sa San Beda. Hindi nila makuha kung anong klaseng play yung iraran nitong Arellano and Adante getting another one.
We see Angel there getting treated on her left leg. Tudlasan. KC has been the difference maker. Make that 4 dumps. 4 1-2 plays now for Adante.
Set point.
Look at that. Kita mo naman yung pagdala niya dun. Didictate kung gaano kaganda yung magiging set ng setter. Sam is denied. KC at the net. This is sent across. Castillo. Cañete. Tira-tira with the rejection, but it's still alive. Adante to Sam. Tira-tira. Arellano retaliates.
Oo, pinaramdam nila sa San Beda ngayon na hindi pa ito tapos.
Sam tira-tira. Kinuldukan. 7. Moming Padillon with 8 points as well. All right. Arellano gets first blood here in the third. De Guzman. Cañete. Oh, sobra to. Quick reflexes by Ceballos. This is still alive and sent across. Good effort by Angel. Sam unable to score. So San Beda gets it.
The intention was really nice though. Yung dalawang blockers natin na tumalon from San Beda, hinanap niya yung butas which is outside. Hindi lang umabot. But that was a good read kasi yung libero ng San Beda medyo naka-back up. So that would...
Here we go. Oof. Pablo again absorbing that serve.
But Adante again.
Yeah. These 1-2s by Casey Adante. Panglima, ito unintentional kasi kailangan na niya itawid. That time, napaganda ba para sa Arellano?
Kanya-kanyang schools, mga nandito sa Philhol Ecol Arena.
Yeah.
Binabati namin kayo ng magandang hapon.
Tudlasan!
Ayan, napakagandang bati. Galing kay Laika Tudlasan.
Set point. Arellano. Wind up. Put down by Laika Tudlasan.
Oh,
Hiponya. KC brings it to Tudlasan. Binalik nung kaliwang kamay ni Navarro. One more time for a stronger attempt for Tudlasan.
oh, making sure this time it counts.
And this one is the set ender provided by Laika. Tira-tira. That's a faulty first ball. It is Bachar. Sending it across. Hiponya. Campos. Balik kay Bachar. Why not? Janel Bachar. On the second try.
Oh, mukhang kailangan ulit nilang ingayan.
Oo nga.
Mukhang kailangan ulit nilang ingayan.
Palitan ng momentum dito. Service ace from Janel. And that leads us to the first technical timeout. They get their 8th win in the season. If San Beda wins this, we go to an extension. Here we go. Hiponya. Pedural. They go to Moming this time. Padillon! Moming Padillon gives Arellano back the lead. And this is now 3 straight ever since the second technical timeout for Arellano University. Look at the numbers of Pau de Guzman. 12 puntos in the initial part. He was the one who was pacing this team.
Sa kanya nang gagaling yung buhay kanina eh.
Yeah. Meron pa siyang 3 aces. Set up for Moming. Unstoppable right now is Moming Padillon. 15 puntos na para kay Padillon. And she brings the heat. Talking about Angel Habacon. Padillon puts it down. Balik sa Arellano ang abante.
Oo, sa tuwing magkakabuhay itong San Beda, nararamdaman ko na si Moming sasabihin niya, oops, teka lang, andito pa ako.
From our officials. Oh! Laika Tudlasan gives Arellano the 4-point lead. And they are looking good. Only a single person in front. Habacon in front. Pablo. De Guzman, single block by Angel. But it's still up. Ooh! Habakon. Adante. De Guzman with a swing.
Nagkamali sila sa placement doon kasi nag-end up na si Angel ang kumuha ang nagtawid ng bola na medyo malayo and na-late siya doon sa pagpunta doon sa placement niya doon sa gitna and
we'll see what happens. KC starts. Cañete. Basang-basa. Campos brings it to Habakon. Off-speed hit. Tudlasan. Itinawid. Ito na si Hiponya. Pachar. Sarado pa rin. Angel from the back row. KC with a pop-up. Tudlasan. Oh! Catches the line. Match point. Arellano University.
very thin line again, Martin. Very, very thin line. Pwede pa nilang i-challenge yun, ano? Pero mukhang hindi na.
Laika Tudlasan.
Pumasok pala talaga.
Pumasok.
Pumasok
With
pala
21 points. Oh, good serve. Cañete. Kagikla absorbs it. Tudlasan. Eto, masyadong malakas. There's a check though. And Arellano takes the win.
Oh, they deserve this win.
Yeah.
They deserve this win.
Look at this. Laika Tudlasan. Yeah, dumaan kay Erin Navarro. Tudlasan with her 22nd point. And Arellano moves up to solo third, 8-4.